solve for our final problem, which is sample problem number 3. Two vertical conical tanks, both inverted, have their vertices connected by a short pipe. So, ito yung ating short pipe. One tank initially full of water has an altitude of 2 meter and diameter of 2.4 meter. So, let's consider, let's say na ito yung cone 1 natin. So, yung cone 1 daw natin has an altitude of 2 meter and at the same time, meron siyang diameter na 2.4 meter. Initially, full of water, which is denoted by yung mga naka-shade natin na kulay black. So, full of water yan. The other tank, initially empty, has an altitude of 3 meter and diameter of 2.5 meter. So, yung larger cone natin, so let's say that is cone number 2, has an altitude of 3 meter at meron namang siyang diameter na 2.5 meter. Empty naman siya, walang laman. If the water is allowed to flow through the connecting pipe, find the level to which the water will ultimately rise at the same height. Neglect the water in the pipe. So since wala namang sinabing dimension ng pipe natin, ine-neglect natin yung water na magpa-flow dyan. So yung mangyayari dito sa condition natin, yung water from cone 1, magta-transfer siya or magpa-flow siya dito sa connecting pipe natin, dito sa cone 2 natin. So yung mangyayari by common sense, magpapantay yung tubig ng cone 1 at saka cone 2. Wherein, yung empty dati, yung walang laman na cone 2, magkakaroon siya ng laman. Which is denoted by etong mga red natin. So, eto din, etong red na yan. So, eto yung bagong magiging volume ng cone 1 natin. Tapos, magkakalaman naman yung volume nung empty cone natin. So, let's say that etong bagong height ng cone 1 natin is h sub 3, having a volume of v sub 3. Tapos, dito sa kabilang cone natin, the new height of the water in the empty cone is now h sub 4. Tapos, yung volume niyan is v sub 4. So, yung hahanapin natin dito is the value of h. So, gawin natin yung dalawang condition, separate natin. So, before yung condition na mag-apply, so before muna, before, full of water yung cone 1 natin. Empty naman si cone 2. So, solve natin yung mga volumes nila. Volume 1 is equals to 1/3 area of the base multiplied by h sub 1. So, 1/3 multiplied by pi over 4. So, yung diameter niya is 2.4 meter squared multiplied by h sub 1, which is equal to 2. So, the value of our cone 1, which is initially full of water, is 3.016 cubic meter. So, let's solve naman for the value of volume 2. Same formula. Area of the base multiplied by h sub 2. So, 1/3 multiplied by pi over 4. So, yung diameter niya is 2.5 squared multiplied by its altitude, which is equal to 3. So, the value of the volume of the empty cone is 4.909 cubic meter. So, ngayon, apply na natin yung condition na magpo-flow yung water dito sa ating connecting pipe. So, after the condition applied, so yung mangyayari, meron na tayong volume 3 at saka volume 4. So, volume 3 is now equal to 1/3 area of the base multiplied by h sub 3. Ganon din yung volume 4 natin. Volume 4 is equal to 1/3 area of the base multiplied by h sub 4. Wherein kung mapapansin ninyo dito, yung h sub 4 natin and h sub 3 natin are both equal to h. So, kung titingnan nyo, very complicated kasi kukunin mo muna yung value ng area mo dito and at the same time, yung area mo din sa kabilang cone. So, kung ako sa inyo, huwag nyo nang gawin nyo kasi very procedural siya pero possible naman. So, sa case natin dito, huwag na natin gamitin to. So, gagamitin natin is yung shortcut method natin mamaya. Pero pwede naman yon kasi kunin natin yung value ng diameter natin by similar solids. Tapos, mahaba-habang procedure yon pero possible naman yung solution. So, para para ma-solve natin yung value ng h natin, kailangan makabuo tayo ng relationship between these two conditions. Dito sa before at saka after. So, by common sense, atakihin muna natin sa mga volume. So, yung volume before natin, parehas ba sila ng volume after? Meron bang sinabing natapon na tubig? So, dun sa problem natin. Since walang nasabing natapon na tubig, tapos sinabi sa problem is i-neglect yung volume dito sa pipe, we can now say that volume 1 is equal to the sum of volume 3 and volume 4. So, yung hinahanap natin is age. So, kailangan mapalitaw natin si age dun sa relationship na to. So, let this be equation number 1. So, let's solve first for the value of V3 and the value of V4. Let's consider V3. So, para maano natin yung V3, tingin tayo sa smaller cone natin. Volume 3 all over volume 1, which is yung volume 1 natin is equal siya sa 3.016. By similar solids to the height of our volume 3 is h. h sub 3 is equals to h. So h, naka-cube kasi volume, all over the altitude naman nung cone 1 natin, which is 2 cubes. So, volume 3 in terms of h is now equal to 3.016 h cubed all over 8. So, let this be equation number 2. So, now let's consider naman V4. By similar solids also, V4 is equals to the empty cone na V2, which is 4.909 over yung h sub 4 natin, equal din siya sa h. So, mangyayari is h cubed over the altitude of cone 2, which is 3. So, the value of our V4 in terms of h is 4.909 all over 27 h cubed. Let this be our equation 3. So, meron tayong tatlong equation dito. Yung volume 1 natin, given yan, which is 3.016. So, from equation 1, V1 is equals to V3 plus V4. The value of our V1 is 3.016 is equals to V3 natin. Substitute natin yung equation 2 sa equation 1. So, V3 is 3.016 h cubed all over 8 plus the value of V4 in terms of h. Substitute natin yung equation 3 natin. H cubed all over 27. So kung isi-simplify natin yan, yung mangyayari is kunin natin yung LCD ng 8 at saka 27. So 3.016 is equals to LCD niya 8 times 27. So yung ganyan na lang gawin natin. So 8 times 27 multiplied by 8, makakancel si 8. So yung 27 mamumultiply sa 3.016 h cube plus 8 times 27 multiplied by 27, makakancel si 27. So matitira na lang is si 8. So 8 multiplied by 4.909 h cube. Tapos, isimplify na lang natin. So, mangyayari by simplification. So, eto ay cross-multiply doon. Tapos, pag-add yung mga values natin. And then, yung nakuha nating value, i-divide natin dun sa product nung 3.0116 times 8 times 27. So, the value of our h will be 1.754 meter. So, pwede natin yung i-shift solve. Pero kung long procedure, so gawin na natin. 3.016, baka yung iba hindi. Hindi nila alam yan. All over, pag-add mo silang dalawa, yung 27, yung mga value nila, plus yung 8 times 4.909 h cube. So, mangyayari is, pag-add mo sila, and then yung makukuha mong answer, i-divide mo dito, tapos i-cube mo, makukuha mo na yung value ng h natin. So, that will be our answer.